Yes, using too much laundry detergent can damage both your clothing and your washing machine. Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and this is part 5 of my series talking about 6 of the most common laundry issues people don't realize can be caused by using too much laundry detergent. Issue number 5, either your washing machine is looking a little worse for the wear or your clothing is. Yes, using too much laundry detergent can damage both your clothing and your washing machine, and that is because the chemicals in laundry detergent are not designed to have long-term contact with your laundry or with the machine. They're designed to go in, clean your clothing, and be rinsed away. And while they're totally fine for just regular everyday use, some of those chemicals can actually be corrosive to the metals inside of your washing machine. So yes, using too much laundry detergent can start to eat away at your washing machine. And it can do the same thing to your clothing as well. As previously mentioned, a detergent buildup is not just detergent. It's a combination of detergent and the dirt and grime and everything from your laundry. So if you're using too much, it's not getting all rinsed out and it's sitting in your clothing. That buildup inside of your clothing can make your clothing appear dingier or duller. It can even leave stains or streaks, and it can make your clothing feel more stiff and scratchy. And that's without going into all of the adverse dermatological effects.